like that. That does not work. I am going to instead write 103 plus 65 like this. And I'm going to get a very different answer than if I had added it like this. Notice my ones that line up with my ones, tens with my tens, and my hundreds with, well, there's no hundred there. What place value do I start with? I've got hundreds now. So what place value should I start with? Aviana? The ones. That doesn't change. I still start with the same place value. 5 plus 3, everybody. 1, 2, 3. 8.
8.
Good. Not more than a 10, so I don't have to write anything. Grading question? Okay. So I move over to my tens place. 6 plus 0. Think about it. Think about it. 1, 2, 3. 6. No more than 10, so I don't have to do any regrouping. 1 plus 0. Oh my goodness. If you all get this wrong, I'm going to go on the floor and cry. You ready? Count of 3. Everybody. 1, 2, 3.
2.
1.
Who said 2? Talon.
Okay, everybody, I want you to go and take a stretch break. Let's stand up. We're going to take a quick stretch break before we go into subtraction. I want you to reach up to the sky, stretch up.
Take this off. It's sweaty.
Go down and touch your toes. Stand back up. Take your right arm, shake it out. Take your left arm and shake it out. Take your left leg in, shake it out. Take your right leg in, shake it out. A little less shaking, okay? We're knocking chairs down in here, boys. Now I want you to give me 5 jumping jacks. Ready, set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And stop. Have a seat.
I got arrested.
Now, we are going to go and review subtraction. Subtraction's a little bit trickier, isn't it? It takes a little bit more time. It's not harder. You just have to be more careful to follow each place value. Question? You have to do the best you can, sweetheart. Okay, so I'm going to start by doing one on my place value chart, and then I'll do some on my regular paper. Sound good? Let's try 503 minus 345. Okay, I'm subtracting. So do I start in my hundreds place? What place do I start with when I subtract? Zoe? I start with my 1 still. So I look and I've got 3 ones and I need to take away 5 ones. If I have 3, can I take away 5? No. So what do? I don't have enough. It'd be like me saying I've got 3 cookies and I've got to give 5 of them away. I can't do that. So what do I do here, boys and girls? What do I do? Kendall? I come next door and I borrow. I can't borrow from 0, so what do I do? Just a sound on this me. Caroline, what do I do if I can't borrow from my 10s? So I gotta come all the way over to my hundreds and borrow. So I take one of my hundreds away. How many hundreds are left? Avi? 400. And then I regroup that as how many tens? So I take that 100 and I unbundle it as how many tens? Xander? 10 tens. And I add it on to the tens that are there. Well, there's 10. Now do I take 10 minus 4?
No.
Why not? I heard somebody tell me no. I've got enough tens to subtract my 4 tens. Why can't I do it? Landon, why can't I do it?
And you have to borrow from the...
Yes. I cannot subtract my tens until I've subtracted my ones. I cannot subtract my tens until I subtract my ones. So now I need to go and borrow from that 10. How many tens are left? Avi?
9.
So I take that 110 and I unbundle it as how many hundreds? Elias? 110 becomes how many ones? Sorry, I said that opposite. 110 gets unbundled as how many ones? Yes, Elias, how many?
10.
10. Very good. And I'm going to add it on to the ones that are already there. So how many total ones will I have? I won't just have 10. I won't just have 4. How many do I have, Richie?
13.
13. Now can I do 13 minus 5?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Wait for everybody to be focused. 13 minus 5 on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
8.
Then can I move over to my tens?
Yes.
9 minus 4? Oh, count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
5.
4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3.
1.
And there's your answer.
Oh, no, 58. 158.
We're going to do one more example together, boys and girls. Because it is possible to do this not on your paper or not on your place value charts. Again, the most important thing to remember is that you line everything up. So we're going to do one last example together. Let's do 509. I'm going to wait till everybody's voices are off in my room. Thank you. Minus 129. Notice my ones are with my ones, my tens are with my tens, my hundreds are with my hundreds. On the count of 3, what place value do we start with? Everybody, 1, 2, 3.
1.
9, take away 9. I want you to show me with your hands what that is. Everybody, hold up what is 9 minus 9? I'm seeing lots of this sign from people. Everybody in here, boys, you're doing a great job of it. It is 0. Now I come over to my tens. I've got 0 tens minus 2 tens. Can I do that?
No.
Can I take 2 away from 0 if I don't have anything? No. So what do I do? Kendall?
From 100.
I come next door to my hundreds and I borrow. Everybody with your fingers, show me how many hundreds I'll have left over when I borrow one. I'm seeing lots of 4s up in the air. Good job. I take that 100 and I unbundle it as how many tens? Watch what my hand does. I take that 100 and I unbundle it as how many tens? 10 tens. I added on to the tens that are there. Are there any tens there, Elias?
I got a question. My Chromebook is about to die, and I forgot to bring my charger.
Okay. You know what? This is our last one. So if you need to get off or when it dies, no biggie.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to go get off the meet, this is our last example before we are done for the day.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll wait until
How many tens?
dies.
What, sweetheart?
I said I'll wait until my Chromebook dies.
Perfect. How many tens will I have? When I take the 100, I unbundle it as 10 tens, add it to the 0 tens that are there. Ollie, how many will I have? 10. Now, can I do 10 take away 2?
Mm-hmm.
Show me with your fingers what that is. I'm seeing lots of 5s and 3s. Very good job. Because the answer is 8. And then our last problem, 4 minus 1. Count of 3. Tell me what it is. 1, 2, 3.
3. You gotta give us the answer.
4, 3, 2, 1. It is 3. Very good. Any questions with adding or subtracting with regrouping? No? Okay, so Richie and Elias, you guys are done. If you haven't done the adding and subtracting practice pages, go do them now, okay? And then if you want to get back on at 11, we'll be doing science.
Okay.
Sound good? Mm-hmm. Okay, you're all done for the day. Until later on.
Okay.